This is Prashant from the Global Facility for Disaster Reduction and Recovery. I am the team leader for what we call Track 3, which is the Rapid Response and Sustainable Recovery arm of the facility. And we activate in post-disaster situations around the world on request from governments. We are organizing a technical session during the World Reconstruction Conference on assessment-led recoveries. This is coming out of the fact that the post-disaster needs assessments and damage and loss assessments have already come up as the global standard for post-disaster assessment of what we call disaster impacts, which are both social and economic. However, where we want to take the discussion now is how does the assessment generate itself into a continuum to recovery and reconstruction. And that is where we have more questions than answers right now. And that is where we see a role for practitioners and people with knowledge and experience like you to come in and help us do some soul searching and find the answers to questions like how do we improve the post-disaster needs assessments to mandatorily include the components on recovery and reconstruction planning with the government, with full government ownership. Questions like how do we expand the assessment into including leveraging of resources. And when we say resources, it's not only financial, it's financial and other resources like governance, like administrative delivery capacities, delivery systems. And most importantly, how do we also front load and build in monitoring and evaluation of the recovery and reconstruction processes into the assessment methodology and the framework itself, so that it can generate a larger level of confidence and accountability through tighter monitoring and evaluation and aid tracking. And this is where we invite you to participate in the session on assessment-led reconstruction. And we'd welcome you personally if you're able to attend. And we'd also welcome you if you're not able to attend personally, but chip in with your very valuable inputs virtually or otherwise on emails, on blogging, and please feel free and add to the dialogue and contribute to improving what we've been trying to do for some time now. Thank you.